Sa Colossians 3:17 sabi doon, and whatever you do in word or deed, do all in the name of the Lord Jesus, giving thanks to God the Father through Him. 1 Peter 4:11 sabi doon, whoever serves as one who serves by the strength that God supplies, in order that in everything God may be glorified through Jesus Christ. So, a person may give money para mag-impress ng iba. A person may serve to gain recognition. A person pwede siyang mag-volunteer para mawala yung guilt niya. A person may act kindly because napipressure siya ng mga friends niya. Outwardly, yung mga actions nila looks good, pero ang katotohanan, mga kapatid, if God is not the motive of that action, then that action falls short of God's standard. Kasi ganun din ulit yung mga Pharisees. Sabi ni Jesus, nagpe-pray sila, nagpa-fast sila, nagbibigay sila ng abuloy, yung mga deeds nila looks righteous, pero yung motives nila corrupt. So, God rejected them. Naging example natin last time si David saka si Judas, remember? Pareho silang nag-fail, pero magkaiba yung puso nila. Magkaiba yung motivation nila. Commit si David ng mga shocking na kasalanan. Adultery, deception, murder. Humanly speaking, mas terrible yung record ni David kaysa kay Judas. No? Kung titignan natin doon pa lang sa actions nila, na kasalanan nila. On the other hand, si Judas appeared respectable. Sumunod siya kay Jesus, nag-preach siya. Siya yung nag-handle nung financial ministry nung church nila, nung ministry nila. And if we judge only by appearances, sasabihin natin, sa tingin ko parang mas better nga si Judas kay Jesus, kay David. But God saw the heart. David's life was fundamentally directed toward God.